Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to start off by priming our eyes with our Maybelline concealer, and I used a lighter shade concealer so that these colors can pop more. And we're just going to blend out the concealer. We're going to really blend it out, even it out. We don't want no like our concealer to crease or anything, so we're going to blend it out. No, I do not set my eyes. I don't do that. I just use my concealer and let my concealer catch all the eyeshadow color. So we're going to use this like fuchsia color. It looked burgundy in the palette, but when it comes off, it's like a fuchsia color. We're going to we're going to work that into our crease. We're going to pack it in first, and then we're going to blend it out. And right here, I had too much product on the brush, so I had went on and put some of the product on my other eye and went back to working on this eye. And then we're just going to blend it out really good. We're going to blend it out in circular motions, and then we're going to take this burnt orange color and we're going to pack that on top of the fuchsia color, and then we're going to just buff it out and blend it out really good. And then we're going to take this brown out of the palette, and we're just going to put that on the lid. No, I didn't cut a crease or anything. I just put it on there and kind of blended it out into that fuchsia color. And then I just went back in with the other colors so the colors wouldn't take away from each other. So I went back with the fuchsia color, and I went back in with the burnt orange. And you guys, this is the look. This is the end of the look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I had did my eyelashes off camera. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi YouTube, it's Olivia Nita back with another video. And you guys, this look was so cute, and I hope y'all enjoy watching it. I got this look out of the Juvia's Place palette. Y'all, this was like one of my first Juvia's palettes that I got, and I am just so in love with these three colors at the bottom. The three colors that I have on my eyes that I used. They're so pretty. They're so beautiful. Oh, you guys, it is the last day of January. Like, this is the last day of January. It's January 31st. And y'all, it's January 31st, and tomorrow officially makes it my birthday month. Y'all, it's my birthday month. My birthday is literally in 10 days. Yeah, 10 days. My birthday is February the 10th, and I wanted to do something on my YouTube channel for my birthday. And I figured out what I wanted to do. And I am going to upload a video every day. I'm gonna try, but I want to upload a video every day until my birthday. Just any type of video. And of course, I'm going, like, wherever I go for my birthday, I'm going to take y'all with me so y'all can see me turn up, because yeah. I like a turn up. I like a good turn up. Like, I like to turn up. I like where I could go places and just turn up and nothing go down. Like, I like that. And also, you guys, I want to be more active. I'm gonna start being more active on my video. I at least want to start like uploading like at least 1 to 2 videos a day. Probably like 1 to 2 videos like 3 days a week or 4 days a week, maybe. I don't know. I'm still figuring it out. But you guys, I have this don't know what to call this, a vase. I don't know. It's not a bowl. I was finna call it a bowl, but it's not a bowl. But I have this cute little vase, and I have these papers in here. And you guys, I did this like 5 months ago, and I still have not dipped my damn hand in this vase. And what this vase is just all these papers that's in, all these little bitty papers in here is examples and ideas of videos that I have. And that's not a lot, but that's a good start for me to like start using, like start picking them out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm finna start picking them out like every day. I'm gonna pick one out and do a video, whichever I pick out. That's it, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. You guys, if y'all do this makeup look, tag me. You can tag me on Snapchat, Instagram. I'm gonna leave it like right here somewhere for you guys to see. When you do the look, make sure y'all tag me in those, because them the only social media that I have. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.